Hey, Apprentice here. This video is very different than all the ones I've done in the past, and the reason why is because this is a behind the scenes footage of me attempting to use the green screen. So let me minimize myself and show you this process. Alright, so someone in the community, they posted in the comments and said, hey, we're tired of the white background. What happened to your beautiful kitchen? And the thing is, I moved, alright? So the kitchens I have are nowhere near as nice, and so I was just keeping it simple and using the white background, but I decided to go ahead and give this green screen thing a try, and this video is me trying it out in real time, unscripted, unrehearsed, and I'm working with my video editor to see how it looks. So check it out. Let me know what background you like in the comments. Hopefully you enjoy this video. Happy holidays, and expect more videos, maybe with a different background real soon. This will be a little tough, but I see a little bit of the shadow on the left, but let me just go ahead and do this and see what happens. And I know both sides have the white, so the reason why I have the bottom is so you can zoom in to get rid of the white and to get rid of the bottom part. And I think we'll be good if we do that. Just let me know how this looks on your end. Chance for you to try out just different backgrounds so we can see how they look.